These hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. Just got rich. Took a broke nigga bitch. I can make a broke bitch rich, but I don't fuck with broke bitches. Got a white girl, what's you got you?
Girls, I got my niggas.
To the bay with me. Eyes closed, smoking marijuana. Rolling up that vibe, money. She wanna do drugs, smoke weed, get drunk. She wanna see a nigga trap. She wanna fuck all the rap.
For your love and don't stop her. Put that thing on me harder, on me harder.
These hoes ain't loyal.
Set the place on fire. Got my thing rising higher. To the break of dawn, we'll be loving, we'll be touching, we'll be rocking.
DJ Ben.
To the break of dawn, kissing on you, touching on you, ain't no stopping. To the break of dawn.
These hoes ain't loyal.
Full speed to my after hours. Take a couple more sips. Girl, you know I need you for hours. You say it's real and I can feel lonely. You know the deal, you know
Mama, looking for your love and don't stop her, don't stop her. Put that thing on me harder, on me harder. Mama, set the place on fire, on fire. Got my thing rising higher, rising higher. Break it down, we'll be loving, we'll be touching, we'll be rocking, to the break of dawn. Kissing you, balance on you, make money knocking, to the break of dawn.
Tell me say you miss me when me gone. Baby, tell me say you want to hold me on. You can't believe every girl in the world could have never seen
Ain't
me.
have a ring enough, a ring on last night. Nigga, that's that nerve. Why give a bitch a heart when she rather have a purse? Why give a bitch an inch when she rather have 9? You know how the game goes. She be mine by halftime. I'm the shit. Ooh, nigga, that's that nerve. You all about her and she all about hers. Birdman Jr. in this bitch, no flamingos. And I done did everything but trust these hoes. See me,
Wine it, balance and align it. Wine it, wine it.
DJ Ben.
Just balance and align it.
Break it down.